The DeLonghi espresso maker has forever changed the way we have coffee. I look forward to this every single morning. It's versatile and user-friendly espresso maker that caters to coffee enthusiasts. It features a built-in grinder for fresh coffee grounds and manual milk frother, making it easy to create lattes and cappuccinos at home. No more spending money on those fancy coffees. It does have a cold brew option that adds to its versatility, allowing you to enjoy a variety of coffee styles. With intuitive controls and sleek design, this machine not only delivers quality espresso, but enhances your kitchen aesthetics. Overall, excellent choice for those looking to elevate their coffee experience. We love this machine. I cannot recommend it enough. Very easy to use, very easy to clean. And there you go.